Pwede ko bang malaman or matanong, baka nagtatanong din yung iba dyan, ano yung pinakamahal na luxury bag na currently owned ninyo?
2 million. Nakakahiya siya.
Wala, binibenta niya yung
Binibenta.
mga pag-
And kasama ko ngayon si...
Nika De Asis. I am Miss Jayan's executive assistant.
Cedric po.
Ramen.
Consignment.
Mark.
Hi, Mark.
Hey. Hi, everyone. I actually was just a buyer before until I turned into a consigner until naging friends ko si Jayan and Ricky and we became close na. That's why I'm here tonight.
Sir Edmar, client, friend na namin siya.
Namiss ko yun Namiss ko marinig yun live
Part po ako ng creatives team and somehow being absorbed na din as content creator soon.
Yan, abangan natin yan. So, lagi ka na namin makikita sa First Miss On.
Yes po. I'm Rara. I'm from the sales department. I'm one of the supervisors.
Ailey. I'm the eldest niece of Miss Jayan.
Siyempre, kasama natin, Sir Ricky and Miss Jayan. Ayan. So, Miss Jayan and Sir Ricky, congratulations po, of course, for your upcoming new showroom. Saan po ba located to ulit?
One Park Drive, BGC.
So, now that you are celebrating your year-end party 2025, can you share with us maybe ano yung best highlight ng 2025 na hindi nyo makakalimutan? Na, syempre, babalik-balikan nyo now that you are transferring to a different showroom.
Best highlight siguro is yung nag-start yung journey, content creation journey. Because this year, ito yung pinaka-breakthrough year for First Miss On. Not just for me, but for the whole team.
That's nice. Yung start ba, Sir Ricky, sa Miss Jian, yung journey niyo sa content creation, dun siya nag-start din sa old showroom niyo?
Ito na, naglilikit, naiyak na.
So, ito yung humble beginning ng first.
Yes, sa old showroom.
Full of memories pala siya.
Full of memories, kaya hard to let go yung old showroom namin. Inisip ko pa nga kung ikikip ko pa siya or totally ilalet go ko na.
Pero the good thing about this one, now that you are entering or transferring to a bigger, bolder showroom, syempre, we are going to create more memories there.
Of course, and excited to create more.
More memories. Okay. So may question lang ako, sir. Very short lang naman ito. If you are a luxury bag, anong bag kayo at bakit?
Tingin ko po para sa akin, Goyard po. Capbert.
Wow, bakit?
Kasi ano po siya, parang simple lang, pero may dating.
Ikaw naman, sir. Simple lang pero may dating. Ikaw?
Ako po, Gucci. Yung mga nakikita akong bag doon, pag yung sa mga consignment, yung pinapa-consign sa amin, mas more on, nagagandahan ako dun sa quality nung panglalaki na Gucci.
Best luxury bag that fits my personality, I guess, is the Birkin 25.
Okay.
Because it's small or compact, not too small, pero saktong-sakto lang.
Saktong-sakto lang.
Parang ako.
Okay. Oh, correct,
Hindi
correct.
sobra, hindi kulang, sakto lang.
So, isa siguro yun sa nagustuhan ni Mr. Ricky sa inyo. Okay. Sir Ricky, ikaw naman. What's your brand or luxury bag that best fit your personality?
Ako, as a brand, Hermes yan. Kasi
Okay.
parang ako yun Pagka gumawa, quality.
Ay, naks naman. Siguro isa rin yun.
Lahat yun
Do you agree, Miss Jayan?
Yes na lang.
Siyempre naman. Yes na lang. Okay.
Para walang awal.
Hindi ako into luxury, honestly. Pero anything na kasha yung laptop ko, I'm good with that.
Handy talaga.
Yes, oo.
Lalo na-
Tsaka ready for business.
Of course, I'll be sticking to Hermes as well because the durability is impeccable and of course, the style is a classic and it will just forever remain a classic for everyone's eyes. Yeah.
Amazing. Love that answer.
Chanel na din po.
Okay.
Para di na ako mag-isip.
Mm.
Specifically, the classic flap. Because just like that bag, I'm also very classy
Wow.
and elegant.
Oo nga naman. Yun din talaga yung parang, merong as a quality ng yun yung quality talaga as a luxury bag. So, classy talaga ang mga luxury bag. Just like you, tama?
Yes.
Okay.
Kasi ayoko ng loud lagi. I'm simple lang kasi hindi nga ako masyado nagme-makeup eh. So, ang hindi kasi masyadong loud na brand sa luxury bag is yung Bottega Veneta.
Mm.
Simple lang siya, wala siyang katatak-tatak, hindi siya sumisigaw, yung mga design ng mga bags niya super easy, convenient to use. Kaya gustong-gusto ko rin siya, parang si Jacob Elordi, 'di ba? Lagi siyang naka Bottega Veneta kasi it's not that luxurious, parang masigaw na kind of luxurious brand.
Yung baka silent but deadly.
Yeah, silent but deadly and useful.
Correct. Yan ang
Opo.
importante. Okay. Very well said.
Kahit ano naman po siguro yung bags. Pero I think yung may relate ko sa gusto ko talaga is yung Dior saddle bag. Kasi it reminds me, gusto ko mag-equine practice after ko po maging doctor. And then it reminds me the saddle ng horse. So I think saddle bag ng Dior.
How about for special occasion, ano yung mga luxury bag or anong bag yung pwede niyong dalhin?
Saddle bag.
Oh, bakit po?
Ano lang po siya, napakasimple tapos pwede mong easy to open po. One cellphone.
Fit na fit sa mga lalaki
Opo,
no,
yes.
na on the go.
Yes.
Ikaw naman, sir.
Ako naman, messenger bag.
Messenger bag. Bakit?
Kasi mahilig ako sa mga ganong bag. Yung shoulder lang siya.
Pag mga lalaki talaga mga handy bag talaga ang kailangan.
Ako, Louis Vuitton talaga. LV, yan talaga. Yan talaga. Yun yung nakasanayan ko before, yun din yung ginagamit ko right now.
For me, of course, I'm gonna bring my Hermes bag. Like, maybe my Constance bag. Because yung Constance, kahit small siya, marami siya nalalagay. So, I think it's the best for night events or like gatherings. Yeah.
Anything na body bag, anything naman. It doesn't need to be a luxury bag. Pero if it's gonna be a luxury bag, kahit ano.
Kasi since old money yung team, so sa tingin ko isang pasok dyan is Chanel. Chanel, classy, simple, very old money.
Chanel. Kasi it's very classy, elegant, but at the same time, it's not that old-looking, yung parang pang matanda. Kasi bata pa po ako.
Favorite ko po kasi yung Prada. So, I think Prada po na,
Prada.
yes po.
So, may specific May specific na Prada ba?
Yung hobo bag po nila na nylon.
Okay, bakit?
Wala. Feeling ko po characteristic ko siya. So, yun. Parang envision ko yung sarili ko sa bag.
Nabalitaan ko doon sa isa sa mga employees niyo, mga staff niyo, that kailan ba ulit nagsimula ang First Maison as a brand?
As a brand, 2020
2020.
na-establish.
Pero,
Pandemic.
kasama niyo yung First Maison family way back pa, tama ba?
Yes, some of our employees way back pa sa first business namin.
So, talagang-
Existing pa naman yung
Existing.
business na yun.
So, talaga mahal na mahal kayo ng mga staff niyo.
I hope so.
And we all know naman, syempre, na mahal niyo din sila. Tama po
Of
ba, sir?
course.
Most of yung mga kasama namin, nasubaybayan nila nung from scratch pa lang.
Correct.
Tapos lumaki, tapos medyo may down ulit, na nag-downgrade kami ulit.
Correct.
Na bumalik kami sa bahay ulit, gano'n. Doon sila nag-work. Yan.
So, talagang yung journey talaga.
Ngayon, malaki na ulit.
Through ups and downs.
Yeah, up and down. Yeah.
Na ups and downs. Yung journey, entire journey namin as entrepreneur, sila yung naging witness.
Last po, Sir Ricky and Miss Jian, what message for First Maison family?
Thank you for through thick and thin, parang marriage. Nandyan lang kayo, hindi nyo kami binitawan. Oh my God, diba yan? And hopefully, in the coming years, nandyan pa rin kayo. Ito yung pinaka-boga naming party. Normally kasi nagtitipid kami. Last year sa KTV lang kami nag-Christmas party and now, look at us. So, probably next year sa hotel na.
Abangan.
Mas marami na tayo na.
Correct.
Abangan nila. Pasang May.
Saka lumalaki talaga ang family ninyo.
Yes,
ng First Maison.
getting bigger and stronger.
Correct.
Happy year-end party, First Maison!
Happy year-end party, First Maison!
Happy year-end party, First Maison!
Happy year-end party, First Maison.
Happy year-end party, First Maison!
Happy year-end party, First Maison.
Happy year-end party, First Maison!
Happy year-end party, First Maison!